Another day with Dumble Dad day trading. It's now lunchtime, so I am going to do some day trading. Come along with me.
Due to federal and state regulations, we are providing the following disclosure. Please stay tuned, as this will take less than a minute. Foreign exchange, futures, and cryptocurrency trading are highly risky, and you can lose all the money you invest should you decide to engage in live trading. We are not responsible for your investment, trading, or tax decisions. We are not licensed financial advisors, traders, accountants, stockbrokers, or attorneys. We are not licensed commodities brokers and do not engage in or facilitate commodities transactions. We are not an introducing broker, and we make no recommendation as to where you should invest or what broker you should trade with. As you apply what you learn, we recommend you seek advice from licensed professionals. Any trade results that we show should not be considered typical of our students. We do not and cannot track the results or performance of our students' private trading accounts. We do not know what a typical or average student earns or loses trading. This is not a get-rich-quick program, guaranteed system, or business opportunity. We sell training and trading tools. We make no promises our training or tools will generate future income for students, and you may not make your investment back, including your investment in this training. Any redistribution or recording of this material is strictly prohibited without advance written permission.
Okay, so I'm going to set up my. I don't know if any of you know yet, if you may be first time watching, but I am working with a company called Day Trading University where they teach me how to day trade. And they give you this little web-based page that you can practice, and you practice buying and selling. And so I'm going to set up my little dashboard here so that I can practice some more. So this is just fictitious money. It's not real. And so as I get better at this, then I could advance my way onto playing with real money. I'm not quite there yet. So I have about 30 minutes that I can play with right now. So I decided to jump on and create another video. So just to go over what this page looks like, over here on the left, this is my 1 hour chart of the Great Britain pound. So this is the pound versus the US dollar. And this shows me what's happening over hour period. So this morning it looks like this currency has been going up hour over hour. This middle section is my 5 minute chart. So it's telling me what's happening every 5 minutes. Where is this currency going? And right now it is at a low point. So I am looking on the pound to make a purchase if it is below this red line here. And this is called the channel, this in between the blue and red lines. So as soon as this starts going up into the channel, that is a point where I would like to purchase and then be ready to sell. Then on this left side is the 1 minute chart. So every minute this will create a candle and it will tell me which direction this currency is going. So over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes, it has been going down. But if I go back in time, it has gone up quite a bit and then it went down. Went up quite a bit here and then went down. So this is reflecting what is happening over the few minutes. So it looks like it is at a high point and maybe it is starting to go down, and that is being reflected over here, so I see it dropping. And then this last quarter of the screen is when I buy or sell the currency. So this is my buy button. This is my sell button. So when I am ready to either buy or sell, these are the ones that I will use. The TP is my take profit. And so what I usually do is I set my take profit to just under the 5 minute, what the 5 minute ATR, I'm not sure what that means because I'm so new at it. So I put it at 30 and then I double that for the stop loss. So if it goes up 60 or down 60 the wrong direction, it will automatically sell. So the most I will lose is 60 points. This lot size tells me how many dollars per point that I will be risking. This is my total. So now I'm up $936, which is pretty great. I feel good about that. I've been in the negative for, I don't know, a couple of weeks. So it's great to see a number positive. And then down here, it will show me my buying and selling. So I'm going to go back and forth between these two currencies and see which one is a possibility to buy or sell. So I look at this 5-minute chart. I am looking for these indicators to be below 2, which is that red line, or above 8, which is that blue line. So right now, the euro versus the dollar is in between, and so I do not want to buy or sell right now because it is not below or above these two lines. But if I go back to the pound and I look at these two lines, I see that the indicators are below a 2. In fact, it's a 0.7. So this is a good indicator that I could be ready to make a trade. The other indicator I want to see is these yellow lines need to be headed up if I'm going to be buying. These need to be going into the channel here if I'm ready to be buying. And then the green line needs to be above the red line if I'm going to be buying. So I am looking for a buy trade right now. And this is a good indicator here that everything is going up right now. So that means that this will probably also go up again here soon. So I'm going to just follow this one real quick. Look at the euro. It is crashing. Oh, look at that. It's almost below a 2 now. So it might be a time to look at a buy trade with the euro. There it just hit a 2. So the green is on top, which is a good sign, but my yellows are both headed down, so that those need to change direction. These two yellow lines need to be headed up. So I will just bounce back between these two and watch and see if maybe there will be a chance to buy. Sometimes there isn't a chance at all. Oh, you probably didn't see the stuff that I was showing you over here because it's behind my face. So let's just see whether either of these, this is taking a huge drop. So now we just dropped to below 2 on the euro, 5 minutes. So that is my indicator that I could be looking for a purchase or a buy signal here. So let's see if this takes a turn and we start headed up. It looks like this one is starting to turn. That is good. These indicators don't look good yet. The red is still on top. So we'll just watch and see whether this is going to make a turnaround. If it does make a turnaround, it will be a signal for me to buy this stock and watch it go up. So usually I set my lot size at 2 or at 1, but I have been feeling kind of, I don't know, encouraged and maybe feeling confident that I'm doing the right thing. So I have bumped it up to a 2. So for every point this coin or this currency changes, I will be making $2 per point instead of just 1. Okay, we see a green show up over here, so that is a good sign. Maybe we are in a transition. We're watching our indicators. Are we going to be transitioning or are we going to continue to drop? Let's look back over here. This looks like it might be making a change here. It is hard to tell right now. So we're going to keep watching this. So I don't know why, but at this time of day during lunch, the pound and the euro seem to be the best movers. And so I choose these two to look at during my lunchtime. So this has now started to make a change. It is starting to, Look how my green is now crossing here onto the top, which means there might be a buy opportunity. I still need these yellow lines to start going the opposite direction, and that hasn't happened yet. Same with the pound. The green is looking like it's on top, so that is good on my 1 minute chart, but my red is on top on my 5 minute chart, so that is not a good sign. And I'm waiting for these yellows to turn around a little bit. So let's just bounce back and forth between these and see if we can get a trade. How much time do we have left? Oh, I have about 15 minutes left. So let's see if this is going to set itself up. 2 greens in a row. That's a good sign. 2 greens in a row might mean it's turning. There's another green. So that's what I do. I just sit and watch, and I wait for the setup. Oh, and if you notice, my yellow line, my large yellow line indicator is now headed up. So that is a good sign. My red is still on top here. This looks like it's starting to make a change. On my euro, one of my yellow lines is headed up, so that is good. Green line, I don't know. Red line might be going on top here. Hopefully the green line will be on top. So we'll just keep watching here. Is it going to make a move into the channel? If it does, I am interested in buying. 3 now, 3 candles green. So does that mean the currency is going up? Let's just wait and see. So here's my countdown. There's my 5 minute countdown that says 3 minutes and 52 seconds. So it's 4 minutes before it makes a new candle. This is 48 seconds before it makes a new candle. So it is it's looking pretty good. If I could get this green one to cross here, if I could get both of these indicators to head into the channel, this one is ready to buy. Let's see what this one is doing. Green is still on top here. I've got a couple of green candles here in the 1 minute chart. Green line is here. So the next thing I'm watching for is a time when the green candle crosses both the red and the green. So if it pops way up here, that is another signal that this is turning around. So right now green candles are still way below these lines, but if I have a green candle jump up above both of these, that's a signal to me that it might be a time to buy. Same with the euro. If this green candle jumps up above both of these lines, it might be a time to buy. So just watching it here. It is starting to turn. I can see it starting to turn. Look how it's kind of come down and making a little bit of a change. But you got to be careful. It may be just faking you out. It may be coming up here and then dropping again. So you can't just assume that because it's made this curve that it's going back up. And I've been caught doing this before, and so I've got to be careful. I need to make sure that all my indicators are going in the right direction so that I don't buy into a currency that is continuing to go down. Sometimes I get anxious. I feel like I need to do something. It's called FOMO, the fear of missing out, and so I buy in when I shouldn't, and it gets me in trouble sometimes. So here we are. It is starting to make a move. It's starting to change. Let's see if it's going to bounce up. See how my candles still here are below both of my indicators, both of my pressure lines. I should use the right lingo, pressure lines. Right here, my pressure lines are still, there's no indicator going up. I've got one yellow line here. This is not in the channel yet. It looks like it is curving. Green needs to be on top here though, so still waiting. pressure lines here. Here we go. They're coming together. Here comes a green. Let's see if this green is going to pop up above both of these pressure lines. Let's see what this one's doing. It is also close. There it goes. It is starting to go up above both pressure lines. So look, everything is turning. Everything is turning up. I'm almost ready to buy. I've got to go up into this channel. I got to wait until this completes. And I've got a new green bar over here. In 25 seconds, I'll know whether I am ready to buy. But it is looking good. It is looking good right now. Ooh, there's a big jump. Big jump up. 10 seconds. 9, 8. Let's see what happens. Does it stay up or does it drop? Does it stay up or does it drop? It looks like it's going to stay up. All right, I need to be ready to buy here. Ooh, it just barely entered the channel. Let's see what this one's doing. It is going down. All my indicators, my green just crossed. All my indicators are saying to make a buy trade right here. I'm going to wait just a little bit longer because this one has gone down, but I am ready to buy. I'm getting ready to buy right here. Is it going to stay up in the channel or is it going to drop again? Come on. Just lost all of its momentum right there. Let's see what the other one's going to do. So usually I would have bought in right there. And I didn't want to wait. You know, I want to get in right when the getting is good. But I have started to learn to be a little bit more patient because it could bounce right back down where we were and even drop lower. So I'm going to wait until it gets up into this channel. It's just barely creeping into this, just going above 2. I want it to be up in that channel before I buy into it. Okay, here we go. This might be it. It's bouncing up. I'm now into the channel. I'm at a 3. This one is almost at a 3. This is the excitement. Here we go. Is it going to go up? All the indicators are telling me it's going up. These 2 lines are going up. This is going up into the channel. Green is on top. We've crossed both lines. Same with this one, going up into the channel. Both lines are going up. Green is now on top here. If you remember a minute ago, red was on top, so that's a good indicator. All right, I'm ready. Oh, here it goes. This might be it. This might be time to buy. This might be it. Let's watch. This one's doing the same thing. Do I get in now? I want a better signal than that. I want a nice green line going up. I've got red lines now. I don't want green, red, green, red. I want green, green. That's my own personal preference. They didn't teach me that, but that's kind of what I've learned while I've been doing this. Come on. 2 greens. I need you to start going into the green. But this is so slow. Usually these candles are a lot faster than they are. Oh, it just dropped down again. Oh, there's my green going up. Is it time to go? Is it time to go? All my indicators look good. Well, I don't have much time. I should probably get in. I think I'm going to get in. Should I get in? It's just not doing anything. Come on. I think I'm going to get in right here. Come on. Come on. Give me some good numbers. Jump up for me. If this guy goes green, I'm probably going to get in on the euro. It didn't. It stayed the same. It didn't go anywhere. I need a nice big movement green. There it is. Okay, I'm in. Okay, I'm in. I'm looking for it to go up 30 points, so I need to get it up here. Right now I'm at a -2, -$4. All my indicators are saying it's going to go up. So we are now in the game. -$6. -4. Come on, I just need you to jump up into this channel. I am in the channel, so that is good. My yellows are going up. Green is on top. I need you to just bounce up really quickly for me. It's not bouncing up. Come on. Green candle. Okay, there we go. We're going green. My indicators over here showing things are going up. Everything is, oh, my yellow line just kind of flattened out here. That's not good. I want my yellow line to be just rocketing, skyrocketing up right now. Let's see what this pound is doing. It is going down. That's not good. I need to get out. I think I need to get out. I'm just so impatient. See, this other guy is going down, which indicates to me that the euro is also going to go down because the pound and the euro are right there together. They usually talk to each other. There we, ooh, that's good. That's good. That was a good move. Come on, I just need some more movement. Come on, I've got about 10 more minutes that I can spend here, and then I got to go. I'm at -$2. Oh, there we go. +$2. Ooh, I was making money there for about a half a second. There we go. $2, $4. Come on. You can do it. There we go. $16. Looking good. Let's see what the pound's doing. It is bouncing up too. That's good. Come on. Hit my 30. If I hit 30 up here because I've got a lot size of 2, I make $60. So 16. Let's watch this guy. Make sure he's bouncing up too. He is. Let's go. All right. This is saying my indicator over here is telling me it's only going to go up about 20. So I need to make a change here that as soon as this hits 20, I'm going to get out. There you go. 20. All right. So if it goes up 20, I'm going to get out because this movement here. Oh, dang it. Dang it, -4 again. Oh, this is still going up. That's okay. There we go. We're at 6. We're at $6. I can't stay much longer. I may have to just jump out with making $6 today. Come on, bounce up. Ooh, what's the other guy doing? Oh, he's got a down movement too. That's not good. I need a good green movement up. If it gets to $20, I'll get out. There we go. +4. Down to 0. +4. Come on. +4. Let's go. Look at that. See, I'm moving up in the channel. Keep moving up in the channel. Get going. -4. Okay. I've got how many more minutes? I'm going to leave in about 5 minutes maybe. Gosh. -4. Give me a good bounce up again. Let's see what the pound's doing. It's dropping. That's not a good sign. -4. Come on. Let's bounce up into the positive. Got about 3 minutes left. Ugh. Not good. This is dropping too. Come on. Everything's telling me I should be going up. All the indicators. So you got to go up. That's just the rule. The indicators say go up, you go up. That's what you do. It's not a perfect system. Ugh. That's what's always gets me worried. It's not always going to go up when you think it's going to go up. It's just going up so slow. Yesterday when I was messing around with it, man, I had some really quick moves up and moves down, and it's so much better when it's quick, because then you just don't sit there and stew over it. So it's kind of crept up, and then it's just sitting there teetering on my buy line, just teetering. The pound is doing the same thing. It's just kind of back and forth on this line. Minus 13, minus 16, minus 18. Not good. My indicators are starting to turn on me. Maybe it's not going to go all the way up. Maybe it's going to drop out. Let's see what my take stop loss is. 60. I'm going to move this down to 30, maybe 40. There we go. Moved it down to 40. So if it hits here, if it drops down to 40, I'm out. It'll just automatically sell for me, so I don't lose too much money. I'm now at a negative 24. Crud. Not good. Not good. Not good. How much time? I have 5 minutes. If it's not done in 5 minutes, I am out. Come on. Got 5 minutes to bounce back, people. It looks like it's going down. The British pound's going down. Maybe I should just get out now. I think I will. Oh, that was something. That was something. Should I get out now? 5 minutes. Come on, 18. Bounce up into the positive, and I'll get out. You get up into like even $2, I'll be good. I'll have a $2 profit instead of a minus 20 profit. Loss. Sorry. Come on. Minus 20. I need a big line like this. Just give me one of these big green lines right here. Blink. And I'm done. 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. There it is. That's good. Negative 13. I'm okay with that. Negative 12. There we go. There we go. 0. Ooh. Ooh. Come on. Go up. Go up. Go up. There you go. My other one's going up too. The pound is going up. Got 4 minutes left. I might make money here. I might just come out ahead. Come on. It's moving up, everybody. It's going up. That was a really good move. Come on. Negative 2. Negative 2. Negative 4. I just need to just bounce. Look, you're going up here. Everything is indicating going. There we are. There we go. 8. 8. Ooh, 4. I better go. Next bounce up, I'm taking it. 6. Okay, I won. It wasn't much. It was $6, but I just don't have enough time. Thanks for watching my video. That is what day trading looks like. I mean, you're just watching it and you're taking a profit or getting out of it early or whatever you can. So that was $6 today there you go, $6, and I'm out. So thanks for watching my video. If you want to watch more of my day trading, please subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn how this works, I will leave a link in the description to the company that I'm using that's teaching me how to do this. We'll see you next time on Dumb Old Dad Day Trading.